guys! Welcome back to our channel, Sheila here. Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I came up with this Valentine's makeup look. So if you're interested on how I did this, please keep on watching. So to start with the base of my makeup, I'm using this primer from SACARA Cosmetics. Next is the foundation, and with this one, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 225. Actually, this is my first time using it. And because I want to hide my under eye, dark circles, and other blemishes on my face, I'm using this Perfect Match concealer from Lore'l Paris in the shade of Beige. Proceeding towards my eyebrow, I'm using this Party Queen eyebrow and eyeliner cake kit. To set my foundation, I'm using this Oil Control Mineral Finishing Powder from Mumuso. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Blush Nudes eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. And for the crease area, I'm choosing the Old Rose shade. For the outer part of my eyelid, I'm using this darker shade of brown, and I'm just blending it out. And for the center, I'm using this moss shade of green. And let's do the other eye. And because I want to enhance the part between my eyebrow and my eyeshadow, I'm using this Essence 2-in-1 eyeshadow and primer. And to give my eyelashes a little lift, I'm using this Essence Multi-Action Mascara. And to contour my face, I'm using this Let's Bronze from Laline. I'm using this Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade of Bury Me Up for my blush on. And last but not the least, for my lipstick, I'm using this Lore'l Paris lipstick in the shade of Radiant Rose. And that's it. So that's all for this video guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. At kung bago po kayo sa channel namin at hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and thank you for watching. Kita-kits po tayo next time. Bye-ush!